guys, welcome back to the channel. We have an exciting video for you today. We're going to get this engine put in the Subaru and hopefully have it back running today. It's Saturday morning, fairly early. Brendan's wanting to go to a car meet tonight in Indianapolis, so we're just going to try to get this engine in and get him going. What we have decided is we're just going to use this engine that we got at the junkyard. As you can see, we've got it all stripped down. We're going to go ahead and put his oil pump, water pump, manifolds, oil pan, everything from the STi engine on this engine, and then just drop it in and have it ready to go, hopefully in just a few hours. So we're going to take that, put all that stuff over there on it, and put it in there. So we're just working on this engine, trying to get everything bolted onto the outside of it. We're going to go ahead and drop it in there and probably put the intake and injectors and all that on there after it's in the car. But we're getting pretty close. Got the valve covers on, spark plugs, coils, got the exhaust header on, all the timing stuff's on and in time, good to go. Coolant crossover pipe, the TGV Deletes. So we're getting close. Valve covers, I think I said. We do have a broken bell housing bolt right here, so I think I'm going to have to go get a welder and weld a nut on that, similar to what we had to do on the camshaft sprocket bolts. So I'm going to go ahead and run and get that welder. We also have to get the flywheel off. We still have the Legacy GT flywheel on here, so once I get that bell housing bolt out, I will pick the engine up with the hoist again, get the stand off of it, get the flywheel off, and then we can clean up inside of there and put the other flywheel off the other engine back on it. And Brendan right now went to get a clutch kit from the parts store, only because we don't have a clutch alignment tool, so we're going to borrow the clutch alignment tool out of the kit and then return it back to the store. So that's where we're at. We'll keep on filming, keep on going. Alright, so we got pretty much everything on here that we're going to put on before we put it in the car. We're getting ready to go ahead and swing it back in, and then we'll put the intake and all the stuff back on the top once we get it in there. We're going to just try to start it up as soon as we get the intake on. We're not going to put all the front end and power steering, alternator, all of that. We're going to leave off and just try to get started and make sure everything's okay, and then we'll put the rest of it back together. Whoa, shut it off, shut it off. Oh, I see what it is. It's that stupid thermocouple wire. Clock. That guy, and I'll talk too. Alright.
I can see it losing power because my gauges will dim. Yeah. I'm just like charge for a little bit. It doesn't have any voltage. Yeah. As soon as it cranks, the gauge is dim. It's not charged. They go completely just.
I'm talking to you. Alright. Alright, go. Just a little bit of gas.
Let's sit for a little bit. Alright.
It's your fuel man. It's got a nasty hole.
Well, it's running, so we just got to put everything back on now, the radiator, alternator, and everything, and hook everything back up. We do have a little bit of an oil leak from the turbo line, so we'll get that taken care of, but it is alive, it's running, so that's a good thing. So thanks for watching. Stick with us as we continue to get this thing back on the road. Say hi to the boys.
Gang, gang.
All right.